welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an update and a restyle of the Ishowhair wig that I featured on my channel a couple weeks ago. In that original video, I showed you how to get a lighter density unit to appear more thick and voluminous. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I applied the wig and also how I get a sleek style with some bangs. First, I'm going to start off by installing this unit, and I am using a new spray. This is the Got2b Glue Insta Hold, and I've been seeing this here on the wig streets for a long time, and I finally tried it out, and I actually really love it. I wanted a more secure hold, so I went ahead and added a layer to my forehead before applying the wig to my head. Real quick, I just want to give you guys a few things that I really like about this spray if you were contemplating picking it up. I really like the size of the can. It's not super big and bulky like the free spray is in the yellow bottle. This one is nice and slim, so it's easier to hold, and that makes a big difference in my opinion. And it also dries really quickly. I didn't have any issues with any tackiness or super stickiness like I did with that ORS spray, because that spray took so long to dry. For the first time in a very, very long time, I slept in this wig, which I haven't done in so long, and my lace is still laid. So this spray is going to be in heavy rotation. So even though I'm only working with a 4x4 closure and not an entire frontal, I still want to be precise with my wig application so that way I can really melt this lace. So I'm separating the closure into two sections and working in that little 2-inch space. And once I have one side fully dried and adhered down, I'm going to work on the other side. This process is pretty self-explanatory. I'm spraying down the lace and then taking my blow dryer on a cool setting, and with my rat tail comb, just pressing the lace down into my skin. I prefer using a rat tail comb. That way, if I get any clumping with the hairs or anything like that, or if they start to stick on my forehead, I can easily get the hairs up with a rat tail comb and I don't have to use my fingers. I am somebody who used to always use my fingers, and that's probably why you have seen my lace crusty and dusty, because the oils from my hands have gotten onto the glue, and that is not good. That's a recipe for disaster, trust me. So once the lace is fully adhered to my skin, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it with a scarf, do my makeup, and I'll be back to do the styling portion of this video. For today's video, I really wanted to try my hand at the trendy curtain bangs, the really pretty, like longer bangs right here in the front of your face. So what I'm going to do is take my hot comb and get the front of this hair really sleek as possible before I go in with my flat iron, obviously. And I'm going to section out the area that I want to trim my bangs. And I'm not the best, so yeah, I just want to give y'all a warning. I'm not trying to teach y'all, but this is what I did. I just kind of created like a triangle in the front of my face, and that's where I wanted, obviously, the bangs to live. So I'm going to take that section, take my comb, and I'm going to find a spot on my face. I usually use my nose as a point of reference because I don't like bangs too short on me. And I'm going to cut diagonally down the length of the bangs. Now, I ended up cutting these super uneven, so you'll see in a second that I twisted the bangs together and cut straight across, and that worked out pretty well. I'm not mad at it. Once I was done cutting my bangs, I used my flat iron to bump them and get that curtain look. And obviously from then on, I was just tweaking it and getting it to a point where I liked it. I also ended up trimming a little bit more around my face just to give me some more face framing layers. Went in with my flat iron and curved that and bumped that so that it looked really nice. So once I was done with that, I went in with some powder and applied that to the parting space just to make the parting space pop a little bit more. I did add my EBIN tint spray prior to melting down this wig, and I will leave that link below if you guys haven't tried it out already. Down the parting space, I use my face powder, but around the perimeter of my face, I use my bronzer. And then one last time, I'm going to use my hot comb to really press out those flyaways. That is one thing that this wig has, is a lot of flyaways. So it did take me a little bit of time to really calm those down. And then, y'all, I really like this style. And in a second, I'm going to show you a trick to get rid of that ring that you see around my lace. I got this from Saw Life to gently spray your setting spray on your lace and pat it down with a beauty blender or a sponge or something like that. And it works amazingly. If you guys enjoyed today's video and you want to see more from me here on my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up and comment what kind of videos you want to see from me in the future. And I will see you guys in my next upload, which will be very, very soon. Bye!